There are two types of dashboards within Exelare. The first is a management dashboard, which we're looking at here. And you'll notice, because it's universal in both of our dashboards, that you have the ability to export the report information to a CSV spreadsheet, to a PDF. Everything is filter driven, so you can select individuals, you can select multiple people, you can select groups, and date range them as well. And what this does is it gives people in management the ability to, see what people are doing in relation to each other. If there's certain goals and KPIs that are expected to be met by your employees, then this is where you're going to be able to track those things. Plus, it also gives you the ability to view at a glance all the open opportunities that you currently have and kind of where you are or your employees are in the pipeline, which is also viewable, and you can refer to the pipeline video for more information on that. Now, this recruiter's dashboard is for the individual. Now, having said that, again, you have the same filter capability, and if you collaborate with other people within your organization, you can always pull up not only yours, but also their data as well. And you can see here, it's just basically, giving you an idea of your pipeline, where you are at any point in time, summaries of things, if you have certain targets that you have to hit, a certain number of calls in a time period, submittals in a time period, new candidates sourced in a time period, interviews per week, those sorts of things can all be tracked in here. Plus, it gives you the ability to see where you recently were, just in case you forget. And if you are dealing in consultants, then you're going to be able to see when people are coming back either into your organization or available again to engage with and place or extend at their contract. And this client submissions without status update in 5 days is really good for staying on top of, one, your responsibilities, but also you may have a client that just is dragging their feet. And this would give you the ability to know that at a glance and be able to take action against that.